Good morning, students. Today's topic is from Elective 1, Unit 2, Pest, Parasites and Vectors. First, we'll see the definition of pest. Pest is any animal or plant which has a harmful effect on humans, their food, or their living conditions. They carry disease-causing microorganisms and parasites. These are attack and eat vegetable and cereal crops, for example, caterpillar and grasshoppers. And these damage the stored food. For example, rat and mice may eat grains, rice which is stored in shop and homes. They'll contaminate this food with their feces and urine. Next, insects has pests on food in cereal, pulses, coffee and vegetables. So for all this we'll take one example from each. Like from cereal is paddy stem borer, pulses whitefly, coffee green coffee scale, from vegetable diamond back moth. First one is pest of cereals. Example, paddy stem borer. So symptom of damage, the presence of brown colored egg mass near leaf tip, caterpillar bore into central shoot of paddy seedling, cause dead heart. Then grown up plant whole panicle become dried when these pests attack on the paddy. So they cause white ear. The plant could be easily pulled by hand. First figure is dead heart and second figure is white ear. Identification of insect pest. So egg looks creamy white, flattened, oval and scale like and laid in mass and covered with buff colored hairs. Larva pale yellow in color with dark brown head. Pupa white, silken cocoon are found inside the stem. Adult in female moth, bright yellowish brown, forewing with a black spot, possess a tuft or yellow hairs. Male moth, smaller with pale yellow forewings without black spot. Economic loss. Rice is the second widely grown cereal crop of the world. In India, annually rice production is 157 million tons. So, infestation of the pest at reproductive stage will cause severe yield loss and full potential of the variety cannot be achieved. So it is a monophagous insect pest of rice. So it causes 1% to 19% yield loss in early planted and 38 to 80% yield loss in late transplanted rice crops. Then second example is, so the second topic is pest of pulses. Example is whitefly. So the first image is the larval stage of whitefly, then adult stage, then eggs of whitefly on leaves. Then distribution and status. So this pest is cosmopolitan. It is a vector of yellow mosaic disease. Then host range, black gram and green gram. Damage symptoms, the damage is caused by both nymph and adult, which are found in large numbers. They suck the plant sap and lower its vitality. So severe infection result in premature defolication, development of scurty mold or honeydew, and shedding of flowers. Binomics. Adult is a minute insect with yellow colored body with white waxy bloom. Then nymph is greenish yellow, oval in shape in outline, along with puparion on the undersurface of leaves. So adult and nymph will damage the plant. Economic loss. It damages the crop by sucking the sap and reduce the crop yielding about 50%. So to control this whitefly, farmers use insecticides. Then third one is pest of coffee. Example, coffee green scale. Symptoms of attack and nature of damage. Nymphs and adult suck the plant sap from under surface of the leaves, green shoots, spikes and berries. So when they suck the sap from the plant, the leaves become curled. Leaves become curly and tender twigs form, drop. Honeydew excrete, development of sooty mold fungus. So fungus is develop on the damaged part of the plant. So heavy loss of the sap cause debility or even death of the plant. Identification of the pest. In lymph stage, it is pale yellow color. In adult, flat, oval shape, light green, blackish spot on dorsum. So see the diagrams. Green coffee scale on stem and leaf. So here also it is attacked by green coffee scale. So the severe infection from the pest on leaf. economic loss. The presence of the coffee green scale cause yield reduction up to 50%. So apart from its effect on mature tree, the scale caused dieback and death of seedlings, increasing the cost of planting and replanting. Then pest of vegetable in cauliflower, example is diamondback. The adult is a small moth about 10 mm to 12 mm long. The male moth is dark brown with 3 white diamond shaped pattern aligned on its back. The female moth is tan colored and its diamond pattern are less distinct than those of the male's fly. So eggs are pale yellow color, measures about 0.5 mm long. There are 4 caterpillar grown stage in the pest. In the first 3 stages, caterpillars are grey-green with dark head. In the last growth stage, there are green with green-brown head. Caterpillars are grown up to approximately 12 mm in length. So the damage: caterpillars eat many small holes in the leaves of the host plant, often leaving the leaf epidermis intact, making a feeding window. So most damage is caused by the caterpillars. They also cause contamination of produced by pupating inside broccoli and cauliflower curds. Defolication occur or pod grazing may reduce rapeseed yield. So it reduces the yield. Economic loss. So however, if residual pest damage is included, then the cost estimate will be even higher. A conservative estimation of 5% from diamond moth include yield loss. So these are the references which I used to prepare this PPT. Thank you.